हेलो, हाँ नमस्ते।
नमस्ते सर जी।
नमस्ते नमस्ते। ओके, गुड इवनिंग भैया। गुड इवनिंग। टुडे टॉपिक रिव्यू। हेलो।
रवि कुमार सर, आप हैं क्या ऑलरेडी कॉल पे?
यस सर, ले लिया सर, मैडम ले लिया मेरा।
सर आप हैं? एक सेकंड सर, एक सेकंड। आपका नाम वैसे नहीं आ रहा है। 1 सेकंड सर। सर
ओके मैडम, कैन आई स्टार्ट मैडम?
यस सर।
ओके, सभी का हो गया, म्यूट कर लो मैडम।
हो गए सर, सब हो गए म्यूट।
ओके, थैंक यू। Good evening all of you. We review modern furniture. Okay, today mute on. The modern furniture. Now first topic is table. Many tables are made of wood or wood-based products. Some are made of other materials, including metal and glass. Many tables are made of wood or wood-based products. Some are made of other materials, including metal with wood and wood with glass. Most tables are composed of a flat surface and one or more support legs. Tabletop surfaces of various shapes, including rectangular, square, round, semicircular, oval, and octagonal. The different shapes of tabletop. Okay, rectangular, square, round, semicircular, or half circular, oval, and octagonal. Next. Okay, parts of table, top surface and 4 legs. It's a simple table, but well, next, what are the area cover the table? What are the tables are there? It's an office table. Different area में different types of table use करते हैं. So this is a office table to keep files and records or to writing notes. Some that is a example sizes is there, but the different sizes available. The different shapes, different designs में table, office table में.
Sir, topic not show screen.
हाँ? हेलो.
सर स्क्रीन में सर टॉपिक शो कर रहा है.
स्क्रीन में नहीं शो कर रहा है. हेलो. सर आप देख सकते हैं ना?
अभी नहीं सर, शो किया.
हाँ. This is the office table. Then classroom table. Classroom table. To keep books and writing notes. It's a material. Teak wood, mahogany, chair are there.
सर पीपीटी ओपन नहीं हुआ.
PPT नहीं ओपन है. नहीं हो क्या इधर शेयर न्यू शेयर. Okay. Now.
Now sir open sir. Show हो रहा है.
Okay. ठीक है सर. पहले से आएगा. हाँ. Table. Many tables are. Okay. अभी सभी म्यूट करना. Tables. Many tables are made of wood or wood-based products. Some are made of other material, including metal and glass. Most tables are composed of a flat surface and one or more support legs. Tabletop surfaces of various shapes, including rectangular, square, round, semicircular, oval, and octagonal. But what are the different area में different type of furniture at the tables using it's a table parts just 4 legs and a table top. It's a horizontal piece. Okay. This is an office table. So keep files and records. This type of using only for office. It is made by teak wood, mahogany, rosewood. Or nowadays we are MDF pre-laminated MDF tables are there, or pre-laminated particle board tables are there, and now the different material of the office tables से मिल जाएगा. Next है classroom tables. Classroom tables से for to keep books and writing notes. Take wood, mahogany, chair and the other. It's different old method. Now we can make it with the frame, iron frame. The frame is made by iron, square tube or circular tube, round tube or square tube. On the top, table top, we can made with wood or with plywood and sunmaker, or with particle, laminated particle board. Okay. It's a library furniture. Sir, for reading and writing the books and the journals, it's a library furniture. But in library, there are rectangular or circular tables are there. In library tables. It's a dining table. For so what is the purpose of dining table? To eating meals like coffee and tea. It's a rectangular table or a square table or a circular table or oval shaped table. Different shape of table are using in dining as a dining table. It's a material same. Now the wood, thick wood or chair mahogany or any particle board on the frame with the board, the frame made by wood and then glass. Top is a glass. Table top is a glass or the table top is a plywood. So whatever material we can use which is different materials. Next is dressing table. To dress well, to look neat. This is also a different material में बना सकते. से वुड से बना सकते और MDF से बना सकते, पार्टिकल बोर्ड से बना सकते और प्लाईवुड विथ सनमाइका फिनिश वो भी बना सकते. डिफरेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू कॉस्ट, अकॉर्डिंग टू फिनिश. किचन टेबल. किचन टेबल there is a variety of works like cutting vegetables for keeping grinder or mixing. Say different according to area, we can make it a size of tables. Say that different teak wood, deodar, mahogany, chair, say kitchen table. It is table actually table का parts. Say top, right front leg, left front leg, back front leg, box, apron, say side stretcher. It's a part of a table. Okay, next chair. Chair. A chair is a piece of furniture. A chair is a piece of furniture with a raised surface supported by legs, commonly used to seat a single person. Okay, it's a raised surface supported by legs, commonly used to seat a single person. Chairs are supported most often by four legs and have a back. Four legs and have a back. However, a chair can have three legs or can have different shape. Okay, three legs and a different shape of chair without a back. Chairs are made of variety of material ranging from wood to metal or wood to synthetic material. Example, plastic. There's a different types material used for making a chair. And they may be padded or upholstery in various colors and fabrics. After making a chair for cushion, that is called upholstery. Cushion with a colored cloth, fabric. It is called fabric. Okay. Either just on the seat, as with some dining room chairs or on entire chair. For example, seat only cushion like a dining chair, and the seat and the back also cushion. It's a different according to purpose of chairs are used in number of rooms. Example, living room chair or a dining room chair, or dens means tent. Dens means a tent, or schools, office, in various other workplaces. Different chairs. What are the chairs? It is a chair, armless chair, but the back is there. Armless, back is there. The parts are there. The front leg is spindle, back post, different parts are there. And tail, seat, apron, cross rail, top rail, back post, the parts of chair. This is armless chair. This is armed chair. Armed chair, but with a cushion. Armed chair with a cushion. It is called stool. A chair without back or arm. When it is a stool, or when raised up, it is called a bar stool. It's a standard size stools are there. If we want to make a थोड़ा ऊंचा होना चाहिए, that is called a bar stool. It is called a bar stool. A high stool often with a cushioned seat. Maximum a bar stool is a cushioned. Maximum. This is for resting a foot. Usually, cheaply a seating if for people along a bar or a raised table or countertop. If this type of bar stool used at a bar or raised counter is a counter bill desk table है ना bill counter वहाँ पे use करते हैं. It is called recliner chair. One with upholstery. The upholstery means finished with cushion and a fabric, that is called upholstery. A reclining action and a fold out footrest is a recliner. This is while sitting with one lever is there. We open the lever. This will come front. We keeping the foot for placing the foot legs. It is called permanent seat. A permanently fixed chair in a train. पहले देखा है ना वो पूरा वाला one place to another place we can change it. Whatever we decide area, we can move that chairs are there. But in this permanent seat is fixed with the floor or fixed with a bar. For a permanently fixed chair in train or theater, with a seat or in a aeroplane or airship, it's a different area. The theater, train, bus, and this type. It is called a saddle. This is actually one type of chair. When riding, it is a saddle or bicycle saddle. And for automobile, a car seat or infant car seat, different area. It is usually at a bar or any like a showrooms. Okay. This is a car seat. This is one type of chair. And this is an infant car seat. Infant car seat. Here is a wheel chair. A chair mounted on a wheel for use by person who cannot walk. A chair mounted on a wheel for use a person who cannot walk. That is called a wheelchair. It's a top on sofa. While if it is for more than 2%, it is sofa, top or sofa or settee. Well, for sitting 1% is called a chair or stool or bar stool or saddle. But more than 2, it is called a sofa or sofa. This is a without back. This is a back is there, but there is no back here. But it is called ottoman. A separate footrest for a chair, usually upholstered, is known as ottoman. Asap or दूसरा name, asap or coffee. This is actually different shape of stools are good. इसका नाम है asap और इसका नाम है coffee. It is called a bench. Bench means a long seat, often without back. Long seat without a back. For 2 or more persons, for seating 2 or more persons. Bench, a long seat, often without a back, for 2 or more persons. For example, like a school for a table and a bench. Chairs, chairs can be made from wood, metal, or other strong materials like stone or acrylic.
सर पिछला समझाना.
हाँ? Chairs can be made from wood, metal, or other strong materials like stone or acrylic. In some cases, multiple materials are used to construct a chair. In some cases means some chairs multiple material, multiple metal, plastic, wood or plywood and upholstery. Upholstery means a cushion. For example, another example, a leg and a frame may be made from metal, and the seat and the back may be made from plastic or plywood, or plywood with a cushion, or plastic with a cushion. These are multiple materials. Chairs may have hard surface of wood. So, according to purpose, the chair is simply wood or simply metal or simply plastic or other material, or some of us these hard surface may be covered with upholstery or furring. Huh? Yeah. Hello. Okay, chair. Okay, now next. Next topic is a chest of drawers. The chest of drawers, also called, especially in North America and English, it's a bureau. But we are using a chest of drawers, but in the bureau, it's a type of cabinet. This is one type, it's a piece of furniture that has
सर ये बेड वाले ड्राइवर हैं
बेड वाले ड्रायर नहीं, ऑर्डिनरी ड्रायर. नेट पीछे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड्स आएगा, पहले पूरा स्लाइड्स देखने के बाद कोई डाउट है ना पूछना. ओके
ओके
नेक्स्ट
सर
आएगा, आ जाएगा. इसे a chest of drawers, also called, is a bureau, is a type of cabinet that has a multiple parallel or horizontal drawers, usually stacked one above another. This is called a chest of drawers, or in North American language, it's a cabinet. It's a different rows and different partitions. It says 2 columns is there and rows, 3 rows are there. It is called a chest of drawers. Next, a cabinet. What is a cabinet? A cabinet is a box-shaped piece of furniture. Cabinet is a box-shaped piece furniture with doors and drawers for storing miscellaneous items. So, for box-shaped furniture with door and drawer. Some cabinets stand alone, while others are built into a wall or attached to it like a medicine cabinet. Some other cabinets, some chest of drawers is alone. Some with a fixed with divar se fixed karna padega. And the cabinets are typically made of wood, solid or with veneered or artificial surfaces. Artificial surfaces, sunmaker finishes or a film, plastic sheet, coated, next is coated steel, common for medicine cabinets or synthetic materials. Different nowadays new trends are different materials available for making cabinets. Okay. Next is commercial grade cabinet, which differ in the material used are called casework. Commercial grade cabinet which differ. Commercial purpose के लिए अलग है. Cabinets usually have one or more doors on the front, which are mounted with a door hardware and occasionally a lock. The mounted with the door hardware means a kabja, index, handle, or some magnets and a lock. That is a hardware. Cabinet may have one or more doors, drawers, and the same repeat. Short cabinets often have finished surface on top that can be used for display or as a working surface, such as the countertop found in the kitchen. In some cabinets, yeah, short cabinet. It's a large cabinet and a short cabinet. So in Parvan, sir. कौन है? हेलो, हाँ, हेलो, a cabinet intended to be used. A cabinet intended to be used in bedroom and with several drawers, typically placed one and above. पूरा डिस्टर्ब है. Typically placed one above another in one or more columns. Intended for clothing or small articles is called a chest of drawers. Some like a chest of drawers we can use in bedrooms also for keeping clothes and small articles. A small bedside cabinet is more frequently called a nightstand or a night table. Small bedside cabinet is more frequently called a nightstand or a night table. A tall cabinet intended for clothing storage, including hanging of cloth, is called a wardrobe, or an armory, or a almirah, or a closet. Different names are there. That is, we are using this a wardrobe. It's a tall cabinet, small cabinet, different types of cabinets. Model is one type of this is a stand-alone cabinet or a chest drawers. Cabinet. This is one type of stand-alone or fixed with a wall. It's a large type of large size of cabinet. Made by wood and with a glass finishes. Okay, next. Okay. That's the card. The cot is a small bed with a bared side for baby or very young child. It's a plain narrow bed. This is one type of cot for a young child. This is called a plain narrow bed. The next parts of bed are anatomy bed, the hardboard, cloth, headboard, top rail, cross rail, the mattress, footboard, cot, the bottom side rail, the side rail, the side upper rail is side, bottom rail, the parts of the bed, and a different a piece of furniture for sleep or rest. Typically a framework with a mattress. It's a large double bed. It's a fully finished with wood or fully finished with MDF boards or half finished with metal and covered with wood or plywood. It occurs different multiple pieces materials we can use or only simply wood से बना सकते हैं इसी से और plywood with sunmaker finish or plywood with veneer finishing. Because it different. This is called the blend. Design of furniture. Design of furniture. The design of furniture for different purposes are chosen. With कैसे उसे डिजाइन करना फर्नीचर डिजाइन करने के क्या क्या उसे फंक्शन what purpose of the furniture, what comfort what the design होना चाहिए. This is the design of furniture for different purposes are chosen as per function, as per comfort, as per design. What are there are types of furniture, different types of furniture. Say living room furniture, dining room furniture, bedroom furniture, library furniture, classroom furniture, office furniture, garden furniture, and yeah. हेलो
वणकम सर,
वनकम.
भूपेंद्र बोल रहा हूँ.
क्या अभी क्लास चल रहा है भैया, बाद में फोन करना.
ओके.
Garden furniture and the kitchen furniture. The living furniture. What are the living furniture? But well, one of the most important room in house is a living furniture. Living room. It's in living room. What are the furnitures are there? Say sofa set, or the center table, or a teapot, or a showcase, the rocking chair, and the telephone table. These are called the living room furniture. But this type of furniture we are making, say, different shapes, different sizes, and different finishing. This is called living room furniture. This is a sofa set, it's a center table, and this is order for keeping for rest foot or legs. These are flower vegetables or telephone stand. This is called a living room furniture. Next, dining room furniture. So what are there? Dining table and a dining chair and a cabinet. This is dining room furniture. 6 seat capacity dining table with the chair. That is a cabinet is there for keeping plates and glasses. Next, bedroom furniture. Bedroom furniture, what is that? Cot, bedside furniture, bedside table, dressing table, dressing stool. It's a modern bedroom furniture. Modern bedroom furniture. It's a bed, side table, a dressing table, and with a stool. Okay. Library furniture. In the library, Almira. Library में steel Almira or wooden Almira, or book shelves, or book shelves made with wood or steel, and a table with a laminated top, cushioned chair, index cabinet. क्या बुक किधर है और ढूंढने के लिए इसे इंडेक्स कैबिनेट चाहिए. इसी से लाइब्रेरी फर्नीचर. देखना इधर shelves are there, the cabinets are there. This is a book shelf, the cabinet, the table. It's a different shape of and not big size of table चाहिए for केवल for keeping 10%. Say library में big size table, but in dining or in living room में छोटा size table use करना चाहिए. अतः according to area, that is design, shape and function. Next, classroom furniture. Classroom furniture, what are you? The teacher's table and the chair. Student table and a chair. As a desk or benches. Glass board, map stand. These are classroom furniture. It's a modern classroom furniture. Okay, this is tables, chairs, and a teacher's table, chair is there. There, modern. Next, office furniture. Office furniture, executive table, executive chair, revolving armed chair, rack. It's a office assistant table and chair. It's a different. Executive table is a big size and with attraction finishes and different shapes. And the executive chairs also wheeled chairs. But office assistant is a small size of table, single simply chairs and everything. This is an executive table. But this is office assistant some office. Kitchen furniture. Kitchen table, solid wood or top. Kitchen chair, breadboard, chapati board, vegetable cutter, toolbox, stool, except tray, carver tray, over table shelf, kitchen room furniture. These are kitchen furniture and accessories. You can see the images, kitchen room furniture. The rack, the frame. A frame works typically with the rails, bars, hooks or pegs for holding or storing things. A cogged or toothed bar or rail engaging with a wheel or pinion, or using pegs to adjust the position of something. This is a slotted angles. We can decide what is the required say width and what is the required of length. We can change the anywhere. So simply bolt a nut with a tight cut sector. We can fix the wheels here. So the frames are like this, so we can fix the wheels are there. This is one type of rack or frame. Okay, it is also we can change the size also.
Sir, PPT नहीं show हो रहा.
Maybe next one. 1 minute. Now.
No sir.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
sir, okay. Okay sir. Okay.
Okay. It's a frame. A framework typically with rails, bars, hooks or pegs for holding or storing things. This is bars, legs, slotted angles. We can what size required width and what size length. We can adjust the slotted angles for with fixed with bolt with the nut. Fixed along with the bolt with this is one type of it's a rectangular L-shaped angles are there or a L-shaped angles. This is square shaped angles are there. But this is a tubular type. This is a tubular type rack. This is like a frame type. We can adjust the here there are different slots are there. Just a clamp will give which height we want to require. We can adjust the rack. Next. self, this is self, one type of one furniture, a flat length of wood or a rigid material attached to a wall or forming part of a piece of furniture that provide a surface for storage or display of objects. A ledge of rock or protruding strip of land. देखना इधर है चित्र देखने का आप लोग समझ जाते हैं जैसे सेल्फ दिस इज आल्सो वन टाइप सर दिस but this self has no doors but is with a door without a door. This is also cabinet but self or cabinet बोल सकते हैं. This is one type of self. बट देखना इधर है पीछे एक एक प्लाईवुड लगा दिया इधर है प्लाईवुड नहीं है ओपन टाइप है. व्हाट इज द 46 टाइम है नाउ क्या मॉडर्न फर्नीचर फिनिश्ड है. नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट for modern furniture हो गया. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बिल्डिंग और बिल्डिंग स्ट्रक्चर. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बिल्डिंग होगा दैट इज डोर फ्रेम विंडो फ्रेम partition flooring roof different door window partition flooring roof different door window floor roof staircase and a ceiling and a partition wall. There are seven type of seven topics are there. That is a door frame, door, window frame, window, and the floor, roof, staircase, ceiling, partition wall. Tomorrow same what time याद नहीं है. Tomorrow is class is there. We can discuss the structure of a building. Okay, but we simply through what are there. संदीप हेलो संदीप.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
वो वाला देख सकते हो पावर पॉइंट है.
Yes sir. दिख रहा है sir. Open.
ओके. यार जैसे भी कर स्पीडली जा रहा है. कल review same topic, structure of building.
Okay,
Now
sir.
4:50, only 10 minutes is there. Sir, what are the, this is a door of parts of door. So what are the types of doors? It's a plain door. The types of doors: legged door, legged and frame doors, legged, braced and frame doors, frame and panel doors, legged and braced doors, glassed and shut doors, such doors. There are different types of doors are there. This is a legged door. This is a legged and framed door. The legged, braced and framed door. The frame and panel door. The legged and braced door. The glassed or shut door. The flush door. The lowered door. The sliding door. The sliding material is a part. It's a swing door. This is a different doors. And windows. It's a windows. It's a parts of the windows. So what are the windows? Simply windows. It's a casement windows. There are different windows. It's a pivoted windows, sliding windows up and down. It's a glass or sash windows. It's a lowered windows. It's a bay windows, corner windows. It's a dormer windows, skylight windows, clear story window, lantern window, a double hung window, gable window, ventilator. So floor. The wooden floor. What are the single joist floor? Single joist, double joist framed. This is called a single joist only. Say single piece joist is there, or the which may say support piece are there. It is called a single joist, which is called joist, and only one support is there. Double joist. It's a length. This is a span is more span. इसे क्या देखना इधर है स्पैन इसे लेट्स से बट इधर है स्पैन इसे मोर स्पैन बट इसके बीच में दो सपोर्ट देना चाहिए इसका नाम है बाइंडर इट इज कॉल्ड डबल जॉइस्ट डोर एंड ट्रिपल जॉइस्ट डोर देखना इधर है ट्रिपल जॉइस्ट पर 3 भाग चाहिए एक जॉइस्ट चाहिए एक बाइंडर चाहिए एंड एक
सर ये भी विंडो में
ग्रिडेड चाहिए ओके हेलो
विंडो में आती है सर ये भी
हाँ
विंडो में आती है सर ये
विंडो नहीं है भैया इसे फ्लोर 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 कल पक्का एक्सप्लेन करके मेरे अभी जस्टिस इसे दिस इज ए फ्लोर
ओके सर
फ्लोर फ्लोर वुडन फ्लोर अटे क्या हिल्स एरिया और अदर ओके Okay, bhai, I leave it there. Tomorrow we will meet. Okay. Thank you for all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Hello.
तो अपडेट करानी है तो इसको क्या मतलब है
मैडम
आप अपडेट बेशक से मत कराओ आप चेक दिया वो ज्यादा वो कन्वीनियंट है वहां तो जाओगे चेक भी देगा उसकी डालने के लिए कोई लाइन नहीं होती है।
हेलो मैम।
आ जाएगा सब, वो तो कुछ नहीं है उसमें।
कैसे नहीं आएगा?
ओके मैडम, बाय।
मेरे को अपनी वो सारे एफडी बनाने में दिमाग
एक काम करना है ना
आधा
आपने,
घंटा मेरे को बैठना पड़ेगा।
एक काम करना है ना आपने, एक काम करना है ना, तो बस मेरा क्रॉस नहीं करना है। हाँ तो एक डाला ना आप, बस मैं आपको 40-45 भी दे दूंगी। चेक डाला ना आप, बस चेक डाला ना, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सबसे बेस्ट है।
मेरे को एफडी बनाने में आधा घंटा ले ले, उसी में मौत दिखाई दे रही है मेरे। एक तो
हाँ तो मेरा चेक डाला
ऊपर से आधा घंटा मैं बैठूंगा,
ठीक है।
इतना है नहीं, जाओ आओ।
तो ठीक है, आप चेक डाला ना, कह दिया ना, अब एक बार बात हो गई ना, ज्यादा फिर एक ही बात को बार बार क्यों कह रहे हो।
एक तो ये लोग दूसरे काम नहीं करते देते, ऊपर से बैठे रहो घंटे, ऊपर से ये